Segment אחת עשרה, ניקוד 3, ניקוד א'. ויעש לו סוכה, ויעש לו סוכה. In this segment, we'll explore talking about activities of personal enrichment. As you read over these paragraphs, you'll discover that Hebrew offers two basic ways to describe actions when they are performed for one's own benefit. These grammatically are known as reflexive structures. This particular segment will concentrate on the first of these two ways to describe reflexive structures. It involves using the preposition le in combination with binyanim that are already familiar to us. Here's how it works. Begin by selecting any verb in the active voice. That means it could be call, but it would not be pual or hofal, since those are necessarily passive. So once again, begin by selecting any verb in the active voice, then follow it with the preposition le, and then that preposition will be combined with a pronoun. And here's the important point. The pronoun with the preposition le must match the person, gender, and number that's found in the verb that you began with, for you will begin with a finite verb. So if your verb begins I, something, something, then that means the pronoun, which will follow the preposition le, must also be first common singular. Let's look at some examples. Consider the title for this segment, Vaya'as lo sukkah. This comes from the current Jonah episode. Notice that there are two elements which have the identical person, gender, and number. On the one hand, we have a verb that is third masculine singular, vaya'as, and then we have the preposition le followed by the pronominal suffix holam vav, which once again is third masculine singular. The writer of Kohelet, or Ecclesiastes, repeatedly uses this structure to describe his achievements during the construction and agriculture phase as he is questing for what is a meaningful life. As we read over these selected verses excerpted from chapter 2 of Kohelet, see if you can locate this particular structure, verb, that is a finite verb, plus the lamed preposition. Pasuk arba, higdalti ma'asai, baniti li batim, natati li keramim. Pasuk chamesh, asiti li ganot ufardesim. Shesh, asiti li berechot mayim. Shmoneh, kanasti li gam kesev v'zahav. As you look over these verses, please locate and circle the verb plus lamed structure in each verse.